Alright folks, back at it. We got the little peepers corralled. At their brief exercise, we're chasing around. Now we get to go upstairs.
Ready, ducky? Are you ready for a bubble bath? Yeah. Yeah, little duckies.
Okie dokie. One at a time. We're going to get the water started and shake it off. In they go. In they go. One at a time. In we go. Blow the stink off of you. There you go. Alright. Make sure the temperature is good. Turn it up just a hair. And we'll go get the other.